Hi guys, welcome my YouTube channel. Today I create a simple registration form using HTML, JSP and Java languages. Then open the NetBeans IDE and start create registration form project and create my package. Then create the form.html file and add the title in our HTML form. Registration form title in our form. After the create body section and enter the div class section, and div class firstly add div class section and container. After the add title registration in our form. After the add div class contain, then insert the form method post form action form.jsp. After the create HTML form, then create JSP form, then add the div class section user details, and then div class section division class section input box, then spam class details. First category is full name, and input type section, input type text files holder. Enter your name first name. Short method is names equal if name value equal double quotations. First insert the first span class in input box. Second method, second div class section is same. Username, firstly add the full name, second username, third email, fourth one is phone number. Add phone number. First order is enter your phone number and name pnum. Then add the address. First order enter your address and name is add. Then add the gender. Insert our Java NetBeans IDE and enter the select name gender option. Enter your gender, option male, female and others. Select name gender. After the add next input box is password. Placeholder enter your password, name pwd password in short form. Div class input box. Next input box is confirm password. Placeholder enter your confirm your password. Your name cpwd is short form is confirm password. After another div class section is button. Add the button. First one registration button, and after cancel button, clear button. Input type submit class registration value registration. Next another input type is reset class cancel short form can, and cancel value is clear. Then run the code and our HTML file is display this one. Then add our HTML form styles. Firstly add the margin 0, padding 0, border sizing border box, font family Poppins and sans serif. Then add another division class is body height 100 width and display flex, justify content center, align items center, padding 100 pixels, background image URL. After finish our HTML form, then add our background image URL GIF file. Then add another div class section container max width 700 pixels, width 100%, background color green, opacity 0.7, padding 25 pixels, 30 pixels, border radius 5 pixels, box shadow 0, 5, 10, and then add the RGB colors in our container, and then add the another division class title. Color is the white, margin 25 and 250 pixels. Then add the font size 25 pixels, font weight 500, version relative. Then add the title dot before, contain, version absolute, left 0, bottom 0, height 3 pixels, width 30 pixels, border radius 5 pixels, background color is yellow. Then add the content form, user details, display flex wrap, justify content space between, margin 20 pixels, 0, 12 pixels and 0. Then add the form.user details input box, margin button 15 pixels, width 100% divided 2 minus 20 pixels. Form input box span details, color black, display block, font weight bold, margin bottom 5 pixels. Then add the user details input box, input and height 45 pixels, width 100%, outline none, font size 16 pixels, border radius 5 pixels, padding left 15 pixels, border 1 pixel, solid. Add the hexadecimal color CCC #CCC, border bottom width 2 pixels, and add the transition all 0.3 seconds is dot user details input box, select, height 45 pixels, width 100%, outline none, font size 16 pixels, color at the hexadecimal colors #66, border radius 5 pixels, padding left 15 pixels, border 1 pixels, solid. At this border bottom width 2 pixels, transition all 0.3 seconds. At the user details section and user details dot input box, input focus, user details, input box, input valid, border color purple color, add the purple color. And then add the another division class section, button dot registration range, height 45 pixels, width 250 pixels, margin 5 pixels, 32 pixels. And at the button cancel, height 45 pixels, width 250 pixels, margin 0 pixels, 35 pixels. And form dot button input division class, and height 100%, yes, width 100%, border radius 5 pixels, border none, color is at the yellow color, font size 18 pixels, font weight 15, 500, font weight 500, letter space in 1 pixels, cursor pointer, transition all 0.3 seconds, background is linear gradient, and at the 135 degrees and yellow green at the hexadecimal colors. And after the form button input power, at the early background details at form input hover section, at the our bootstrap, all the devices can apply this registration form easily. This bootstrap method, media max width 586 4 pixels, container max width 100 pixels, form user details input box, margin button 15 pixels, width 100%, form category width 100%, content from user details max width 300 pixels, overflow by scroll, and user details webkit scroll bar width 5 pixels. Then add media width for 59 pixels. Container content dot category flex direction and column. Then finish our style part. Then add our background to our HTML form and 1.gif file at our registration project. Then run our HTML form and work it nicely. Yes, and yeah. Then create a new JSP file form.jsp and add the title registration form results. Then add headline, history, view details, and create my package and add the form.java file, java class, new java class, create form.java, and insert the private int sid. Our form input all the category names in here. Applied in java class. Private string fname, private string uname, private string email, private string pnumber, private string address, private string gender, and after the private string pwd password, private string confirm password cpwd. Then add the refactor and encapsulate field. Select the encapsulate field and take the get and set method, and all the methods are applied in java class. Then create our form.jsp file, and in jsp.useBean method is apply this JSP form. jsp.bean id st1 class my package dot form java class and line break, and after the headline h6 and full name JSP set property name st1 property fname value at the get parameter method, get request dot get parameter method, insert the fname and JSP dot get property name st1 property fname, and add the line break, and all the HTML form category applied this method. First apply first name, username, email. After the apply phone number, then add the address, JSP form and password, and after the add password pwd property pwd, and add the line break, and last one is confirm password cpwd, and after the apply some styles in our JSP form. Apply padding 0, margin 0, box size in border box, and another division class is body section, margin 0, background image URL firstly added 1.gif, first background repeat, no repeat, background attachment fixed, font families son of serif, font weight 100, and form fusion classes, and height 20 pixels, width 40, 400 pixels, background color green, opacity 0.7 pixels, position absolute, transform translate minus 50%, and at the top 50%, left 50%. In our JSP form, border radius 10 pixels, backdrop filter blur 10 pixels, and at the border 2 pixels, solid color at the RGB color 255 0.1, box shadow 40 at the RGB color box shadow, padding 35 pixels, and after the add the form edition class and font family copies, and sans serif and color at the hexadecimal color. Now form JSP form, letter spacing 0.5 pixels, outline null, border null, font weight bold, and form our H3 heading section. H3 setting, font size 30 pixels, font weight 16 pixel, font height line height, I think line height, text align center, color hexadecimal value at our H3 section. Erase and line height. Form X6, form size 15 pixels, font weight 300, line height 42 pixels, text align center at the color white color, and finish my JSP form and run our HTML form. Add form section in JSP form, and then run our HTML form, and I insert the value in my registration form, and registration view is nicely working in my registration form, incorrectly passing the values in my JSP form. And add some values in my registration form, password, confirm password, and registration view details in line looking awesome. Nicely passing values in my registration. Guys, stay tuned to my channel, and thanks for watching. If you have any question in lesson part, guys, please drop a message in comment section. Bye.